In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your Amazon Fire TV stick is giving you no signal or a black screen on your TV. So the first thing I recommend you do is to go on your TV and ensure you're on the correct input. And if you know for a fact you are and you're getting this no signal or black screen, go to the back of your TV and we're going to unplug the Fire TV stick from the HDMI input. Now after you've unplugged it, we're also going to unplug the power cable from the Fire Stick, and you want to leave it unplugged for at least a minute, and ideally a few minutes, before plugging it back into its power and plugging it back into your TV. Now, if you go back onto your TV and you're still getting no signal, what I recommend you do is try a different HDMI input on your TV, as the one you're currently using may not be working. I'd also recommend having a look at the actual power cable on your Fire TV stick, as sometimes they're faulty, and if you happen to have a spare one, try swapping it out to see if it works. Now, if it's still not working at this point, what I also recommend you do is use your Fire Stick on a different TV to see if your TV's the problem with some of its settings. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.